Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube. My name is Erin Umstead. Today I'm doing another makeup tutorial. Shocker. The James Charles palette, iconic still, obviously. So I'm gonna be playing around with the yellows today in honor of spring. I really want to do a bright look for you guys, kind of like orangey, yellowy, sunflower moment. Yesterday it was 66 degrees out. Today it's 30. Spring, I want to say, has hit. It's snowing currently. It's cold. So yeah, but I know for several people who don't live in New York, that it is probably nice out. It's spring-like and has 60-degree and 70-degree weather, and it's probably really nice out in green and flowers. It's not like that here, but you know, I don't have anything else to film, so we're doing a makeup tutorial today. If you guys do enjoy today's video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. And yeah, let's just get into today's video. I'm going to be going in with Canvas and Punch Me, which are these two shades right here, Canvas and Punch Me. So yeah. The reason why I put in neutral colors first, because those are called transition shades. Basically, you're transitioning between you're putting down a transition shade so it lays down a base for where you put your other shades. It's kind of confusing. I don't really get it. Now I'm going in with Tune, which is this shade right here. I'm just going to also put this into the crease. Just want to get it a little bit more yellowy. So we're going to be going in, I don't know the shade name. Okay, 518 and B. And I'm going to be putting those into the crease. So now I'm going to be taking Face, which is this highlight, and I'm going to be putting this all over the lid. It is really blinding, but I'm really just spreading it out through the whole entire lid. We're going to do the lower lash line today. I normally don't do the lower lash line, but we're going to do it. So, lower lash line, I'm just going to take 518 and a little bit of B, just like what we did on the upper lid. And I'm going to be, that's in my eye. That's in my eye. And we're just going to be taking this really, really closely on the lower lash line, like really close. And connect it to the top. You're taking this, and I'm just gonna smoke out this lower lash line a little bit. Okay, it's really windy right now and I'm freezing. Now I think this looks it looks intense. It looks really intense, but I do like it a lot. I never do my lower lash line, so it looks like a little crazy for me, but I think this is definitely wearable if you don't want to do the lower lash line and don't want to go that crazy. Like, you totally don't have to. Okay, I'm gonna take Ring Light, the second shade in the palette. I'm doing this for my inner corner highlight. Really make her blinding. Okay, so I'm gonna put on mascara, and then I'm actually gonna do lashes. I've never done lashes on my channel before. It's probably gonna take me a really hot minute. So I'm gonna do mascara and lashes. I'll be right back. I think I look crazy. I don't know if I really like they don't really feel like anything, but I don't think I applied them that well at all. Like, this one's better than this one, but still they're like kind of wonky. So we're just gonna take them off because I feel like I don't look like myself. And yeah, so anywho, this is the video. This is the video. Okay, so the eye look, if you just look at the eye look, it's really, really pretty. I think it really screams summer and spring and the whole entire vibe. It's interesting. I don't know if I would wear it like with like the lower lash line smoked out, but I still really enjoy it. I think it's really pretty. I think I look cute. I don't know if I wore it with this top either. I really didn't plan out my outfit with this video, but whatever. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Peace.